You are a beginner in trading or an experienced trader with experience. Today we will decide who will suit our Autobot more. Finance TradeBot is the first free Autobot, which is available via the link in the description. Just go there and your life will change. For a beginner trader, a balance of $100 is perfect. All we need is to simply configure the Autobot for ourselves. Select the recommended currency pair and you can launch our Autobot. The Autobot immediately started working. We will make an equal number of transactions and compare what the result will be at the end of 5 transactions. In the meantime, let's see how the bot will accelerate the balance of a novice trader. The bot successfully closes deal after deal, and you can take it absolutely free. Just follow the link in the description. Are you shocked, friends? It took the Autobot only 3 minutes to boost our balance to $300. If you are a beginner trader, just get your Autobot and start earning. Now let's compare the balance, as the Autobot will accelerate the balance of an experienced trader. Let's start with $1,000 and see what the result will be in the end. The Autobot immediately opened the first deal, and all that remains is to wait for the result and understand who the Autobot is more suitable for. The bot caught its first minus, but it's okay. It will continue to open deals and I'm sure it won't make a mistake again. Since the Autobot's passability is 96%, it can't lose its balance. As we said, immediately after the minus, the bot brings us profit. Let's wait for the final result and already sum up the results of 2 trading sessions. Wow, this is just incredible. On the balance almost $3,000, I think the result pleasantly surprised you. And let's sum it up, friends. Our Autobot is perfect for both a beginner trader and an experienced trader. The link to the Autobot is in the description. Finance TradeBot more than trading.